Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. And in this class I'm going to be showing you how to run Amazon ads and the things to do when you want to run Amazon ads. Okay, so many people do not know this, and you're very lucky to be watching this video right now, because I'm going to be doing this with my Android phone. So you would just have to watch step by step and see how I'm doing this. Okay, um I'm already logged into my account, and this is my bookshelf, as you can see. So I'll just pick one of these and run an advert for it so you can see what it looks like. So the first thing you want to do is, let's just say I want to run ad for this as paperback, for this diary as paperback. Click on these three dots, go over to promote and advertise, right? So yes, I'm zooming this so you can see run an ad campaign. With Amazon ads, you set your budget, targeting, and timing. You pay only when shoppers click your ads. To create an ad campaign, choose the Amazon marketplace you want the ad to appear. So of course it's amazon.com. Create an ad campaign. Yeah, it's actually advisable to sponsor your brand on Amazon KDP, because when you have a brand, you should actually do this when you have a specific niche you're writing on, right? Let's just say you focus on food recipes. It's advisable to sponsor your brand on Amazon KDP. That way you could build your email list faster, and when people come over to the platform to buy books, they will just, because they like you, they just, once they see your books, they want to buy. Probably they didn't even plan to buy your books, but they just see your name on it, and yeah, they want to buy your books because you've built that trust, you've built that integrity, and they already know you and they like you and they trust you, right? But right now, what we are sponsoring ads for is a product, a book, right? Not a brand. So yeah, continue with this. Sorry about that. So here, the first thing is you need to set up a payment method to launch your campaign. And yes, I'm going to be setting this up for this account so you could see for yourself. So they said you can save your campaign as a draft now and set up your payment method in billing and payments. And the billing and payments there is clickable. So just go over to that part. Credit or debit card, continue. I want to zoom this so you can see clearly. Advertiser, of course, advertiser name, address line. Let's just put something else. Owerri, city Owerri, yeah. Emails, sponsored ads. VAT registration number is optional. So yeah, name on card. So I'll be putting in my name and my card number plus my date of expiration and all that, right? I have to cover this for security reasons, okay? All of us now, this was a day. But just for security reasons, I just need to cover this. Well, yeah, you need to keep in mind that a normal card cannot do this, okay? Especially if you're in Nigeria, a normal Visa or even a MasterCard cannot do this. So just keep it in mind that you're going to have to get a dollar card from your bank. For me, I use the UBA prepaid dollar card, okay? Just go to United Bank for Africa is the name of the bank I use, right? Because I already have a Naira account with them, and it's easier for me to just convert from dollar to Naira and all that, right? But I use the UBA dollar prepaid card. If you just walk into UBA and tell them that you want a dollar prepaid card, they'll give it to you immediately, right? And back, I think it was 2 years ago, I got mine, and you just need $3 to activate the card. You know, the same way here in Nigeria, if you get a new ATM card, you're going to need like 1,000 naira to set it up and all that. That's the same way you need like $3. Back then it was $3. Now it could be like $5 or so. But you're going to need some money to just activate the card, and then your card is ready to use. Okay, and then you fill in this form and save payment method. Once you click on save payment method, it's complete. You have your account details set up. Okay, so I'll be clicking on that add campaign again to show you, like, I just want to make it look like I'm trying to set up another account. And as you can see, it's showing my name down here. If we zoom, you can see my name with the previous card number. Everything has been saved and account set up. I hope this video was helpful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I talk about everything that has to do with making money online, especially with Amazon KDP. Okay, welcome once again to Make Money with Joy, and I'll see you in the next class.